So, welcome back, guys. And so far, we discussed about NCRT solutions, right? Nearly 20 questions we completed. And the 22nd question is a homework for you people. And a number of other questions are there. Nearly 8 more questions are there pending. We will discuss that too. Okay. And I will give homework also. You have to complete that and want to send me today itself. Okay. So, moving forward to the 22nd question. Okay, 22nd. And this is the 23rd question for you people. The following table gives the average product schedule of labor. Find the total product and marginal product schedules. It is given that the total product is zero at zero level of labor employment. Okay. So what do you want to find here? The following table gives the average product schedule for labor. Find out the total product and marginal product. Total product and marginal product. Equation is here and application also is here. Just to make a change in the question. Make a change in the question here. Okay. So labor is one only. Labor is one only. APL that is changed to 3. Make a change there in the question. Or draw the table. Draw the table and write the question. 23rd question from your textbook. Table is there. Make correction with the pencil. The pencil is there means make a correction with the pencil there. Okay. So labor is one only. AP that changed to 3. APL for labor 2, 3 changed to 4. For labor 3, it is changed to 6. Okay. For labor 4, changed to 7. Okay. For labor 5, it is 6. And the labor 6, it is 5. Okay. Seven, 6, 5. Okay. Make a change in the question. Change in the question. Okay, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 4.25 to 7, 4 to 6, 3.5 to 5. Change it or not? Change it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or else you just take a screenshot. No problem. Okay, and complete the task. Okay, application is here. You can see APL, TP is equal to APL into labor. I mean, average product into labor. So 2 into 1 into is equal to 2. Okay, MPL is equal to TPN minus TPN minus 1. N minus 1. So that equation is applicable here. Okay, 23rd question completed. Complete 24th question. 24th question. Okay, the following table gives the marginal product schedule of labor. It is also given that the total product of labor is 0 and 0 level of employment. Okay, calculate the total and average product schedule of labor. Okay, so write down 5, 6, 8, again 7, 5, 2. Change that. Change the table. 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 2. Changed? Okay, solution we are able to find in the next page. Labor is here, marginal productivity, marginal product also is here. Total product is equal to total product n minus 1 plus MTN. Okay, average product for labor is equal to TPL divided by L. The same equation you should use. Okay, if you want to write the equation, just write down the equation. Okay, hope that one is completed. Next one, 25th question. The following table shows the total cost schedule of a firm. What is the total fixed cost schedule of the firm? Calculator TVC, total variable cost. AFC, average fixed cost. AFC, average fixed cost. AVC, average variable cost. SAC, short run average cost. SMC, short run marginal cost. Short run marginal cost. Okay. Make a change in the question. 0 labor, TPL 20, 25, 30, 45, 80, 100, 150. Last one, 150. 150. Make a change in the question. Completed. So labor is the total product also is the easy to calculate EVC, AFC, AVC, SAC, and SMC. Okay. Moving forward. So the calculations here. If you want to write the equations, please write down. Write down the equations. Please write down the equations. TFC is equal to TC minus TVC. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. The exact thing from your textbook. AFC is equal to TFC minus Q. Sorry, divided by Q. AVC is equal to TVC divided by Q. SAC is equal to AFC plus AVC. SMC is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Completed. Examination, sure, one question will be there. Okay. So mind it. Learn this properly. Learn these applications properly. And calculations too. Okay, next question, 26th question. The following table give the total cost schedule of a firm. It also given that the average fixed cost at 4 rupees of output is 5. Find the TVC, TFC, AVC, AFC, SAC, SMC schedules of the firm for the corresponding values of output. Here in this question, is the total cost of a firm. It is also given that the average fixed cost for 4 units of output is rupees 5. Okay, for 4 units it is rupees 5. Keep that in your mind. Okay. So average fixed cost at 4 units of output is rupees 5. That idea should be there. Okay. So you can see here the solution you can see here. Okay. Here. So just check the table. So 150, 265, 375, 495, 5, 130, 6, 185, 185. This is the solution. This is the solution. Okay. Fixed cost is 20 only. 4 into 5, right? Okay. So changing the values here. 75, 80, 95, 100, 120, 150. So application is there. This is a solution for that question. Same equations are there. Question number 27. Just take a screenshot here. 600, 400, 100, 400, 600, 700. Change that. Changed. Okay, you can see the application here. Check that. And next on 28th question. So here, let the production function of a firm be quantity is equal to 5 L raised to 1 by 2 K raised to 1 by 2. Okay. So this equation is here, this formula is here. You want to use this formula to find out. So find out the maximum possible output that the firm can produce with 100 units of labor and 100 units of K. Okay. So here don't want to get a confusion here. Q is equal to 5 L raised to 1 by 2 into K raised to 1 by 2. So you can see the calculation. K is 100. L also is 100. So it is Q is equal to 5 100 raised to 1 by 2 into k is also 100 raised to 1 by 2. So answer is we can see 5 into 10 into 10 is equal to 500 units. Okay, so if this kind of questions are there, means just observe this application properly. How to solve that? Check here properly. Okay, and complete the task with another equation. Q is equal to 7L 1 by 2 K 1 by 2. Okay, L is equal to 50. Is equal to 7 L 1 by 2. Okay, L is equal to 50. K also is equal to 50. Calculate that. Okay, this is the new equation for you. Solve that. Okay, completed. Write the question, make it fast. Complete, Aishwarya. Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, 29th question. 29th question. And the production function of a firm be Q is equal to 2L square K square. Okay. So solution you can see here. Okay. What do you want to find here? Find out the maximum possible output that the firm can produce with 5 units of L and 2 units of K. Okay. So L is 5 units, K is 2 units. Okay. So Q is equal to 2 into 5 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. Okay. So 2 into 25 into 4. Answer is 200 units. So easy calculations, all these things, easily you can do that. Okay, no worries worries here. So I'm changing the equation here. Q is equal to 3L square K square. Okay. Value of L is 6, K is 3. Make the change. So this is the equation for you. Question the same question only, okay. Only the values changed. Q is equal to 3L square K square, L is equal to 6, K is equal to 3. Okay, simple calculation, you can do that. Next one, find out the maximum possible output for a firm with 0 unit of labor and 10 units of K. Its production function is Q is equal to 5L is equal to 2K. Okay, not is equal to mark not needed. 5L and 2K. 5L and 5L and 2K. Okay. Clear. So want to understand one thing here. It is what is that the production is 0 only, right? 0 only. So come to the calculation here. Okay, as per the question, Q is equal to 5L2 plus 2K. If L is 0, the K also, K is 10. They put in the same values. 5 into 0 plus 2 into 10. Okay, so what will happen here? Maximum possible production is 20. But if any one input is a 0, means the production is possible there actually. Tell me. If any one, we studied that earlier, right? And want to write that also. Okay. Conclusion point will be there. What is that? The solution is okay, fine. But if any one input is 0, it is not able to produce. We are unable to produce the products. Clear? We want all the inputs. Okay. It is all about the NCRT solution for you people. Okay, I'm just asking about the 23rd question. Let me check that. Okay, this is what the 23rd question, Anjo. Just make changes in the numbers. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 4.25 to 7, 4 to 6, 3.5 to 5. Okay. And temporary solution for the question is here. Okay, you want to find out a TP and a MP. TP and a MP, total product and a marginal product. Total product and marginal product, you want to find it out. Okay, so this is all about the, what we can say, NCRT solution for you people. Okay, so learn well for the examination. Number of students are absent. Okay, so remember this examination is very important for you people. It is important to score good marks too. So any doubts are there, means you can call me, and textbook reading is compulsory. Any doubts are there, you just inform me. Okay, and we will move forward. Just give me a moment. Okay. Can you see the slide? The screen is visible, right? The screen is visible, right? Okay. So yesterday we started the discussion on determinants of supply curve. Supply curve. So if any changes are there in the marginal cost curve, we are able to find a change in the supply curve, because supply curve is the part of the MC curve, right? Supply curve is the part of the MC curve. Yes or no? Yes or no? Of course. Okay. So what are the factors basically able to make changes in the marginal cost of production? Basically, we know that technological progress, Okay. And second point, it is input prices, price of the commodities, price of the commodities. These two things are able to make changes in the supply curve, or basically we can say that able to make changes in the MC curve, marginal cost of production, both in the short run and long run. Okay, so in one case it is moving rightward, that is showing profit. Other it is moving leftward, showing a reduction in the profit, reduction in the profits. Okay, clear or not? That's what the last topic we discussed. Next one, impact of unit tax on supply. Okay, impact of a unit tax on a supply. So yesterday I told you, okay, remembering or not, I don't know anyway. Okay, what I told yesterday. So far we discussed a firm and the consumer, the firm and the consumer, right or not? Only two economical agents are there in the market: the producers and the sellers. I mean, the consumers, the producers and the consumers, producers and the consumers are the two agents here. Okay, and here we are taking one more agent, or one more particular people here. That's going to be the government. What is that? Government. So government interference is there in economy. Definitely we know that to maximize the public welfare, most of the governments will collect taxes. They will not allow any particular individual to earn more money, because the country wanted to achieve development. It is important to improve the standard of living of the people, those who living in that particular country, right? Okay, so government want money. Government want the money. So it's called to be the revenue. Revenue. Okay, government want to collect revenue. They have to create. Okay, so definitely they will fix taxes or they will collect taxes from the producers. From the producers. Okay, so all these questions are is important. All these questions is important for you people. What do you mean by impact of a unit tax on supply? Impact of a unit of tax on supply. Okay, so a unit tax is a tax that the government imposes per unit sale of output. Okay, so a producer is selling A, B, C, D. Okay, for each product, the government will add tax. Think it is just rupees 10 rupees 10. Okay, so they will add 10 rupees with all these products. Then what will happen in the market? What will happen in the market? Price of the commodities will increase or not? Yes, but here you want to understand price is constant; it is not changing. So it will adversely affect the producer only. Producer only. Okay, his cost of production will increase. Cost of production will increase because he want to pay taxes also. Okay, not only the money that want to spend for the inputs, the same time he want to pay taxes. He want to pay or the firm want to pay the tax. Okay, so the cost of production will increase. Cost of production will increase. Probably we know that the production will reduce. Okay, fair or not? So if no firms are interested to sell the product to create a loss there, right? So they will reduce the production and reduce the supply here. Okay, reduce the supply. Okay, a unit tax is a tax that government imposes per unit sale of output. For example, suppose that the unit tax imposed by the government is, think it is rupees 2. Then if the firm produces and sell 10 units of good, the total tax that the firm must pay to the government is 10 multiplied by rupees 2. 10 into 2. It is 20 rupees, right? Clear or not? For each unit of the product, they have to pay taxes. So how does the long run supply curve of a firm changes when the unit tax is imposed? Okay, so we want to see figure number 4.11. 4.11. Here it is. This is the 4.11. You check in your textbook, page number 63. Page number 63. Okay, so you can see here. Let us turn to figure number 4.11. Before the unit tax is imposed, the LRMC 0 and LRAC 0 are respectively the long run marginal cost curve and the long run average cost curve of the firm. So check it in the figure. Okay, these two figures, long run average cost and long run marginal cost. Long run average cost and long run marginal cost. Right? Okay. Right. So quantity change, price fixed in the market. Clear or not? Price is fixed and quantity also fixed. Equilibrium point is here. Equilibrium point is here. Okay. Where LMRMC curve intersect with the LRAC curve. LRAC curve. Okay, long run marginal cost and the long run average cost. Okay, so we already created an equilibrium here. So what happened here? Tax increased. Tax increased. So the firm want to add the tax along with the price of the commodity. Yes or no? The firm want to add the tax along with the price of the commodity. So what happened here? What happened here? The price increased. The price increased. Okay. Price of the commodity increased. There is no change in the quantity produced. Quantity produced. But what happened here? Both these curves moved away from the origin. Right? Right or not? That move away from the origin. You can see here, new curves formed here, new LRMC and new LRAC formed. LRAC formed. So what shift is there? The shift of the curves towards rightward or leftward? Rightward or leftward? Leftward, right? So leftward movement only, right or not? See here, see here to here to here. So it's a leftward movement. So already we studied the curves are moving to leftward means that indicate profit or loss. Profit or loss. Leftward loss. Okay, loss. Or reduction or profit will reduce. Profit will reduce. You cannot say that a loss completely, but profit will reduce anyway. Okay. here, you can see here the long run marginal cost curve and the long run average cost of the firm. Now, suppose the government puts in the place a unit tax of rupees T. So here we are using T to denote the tax. T to denote a tax. Small t denote a tax. Since the firm must pay an extra rupees to the government, right? Extra rupees T for each unit of the good produced. The firm's long run average cost and long run marginal cost at a level of output increases by rupees T in figure 4.11. LIMC 1 and LRIC 1 are respectively the long run marginal cost curve and the long run average cost curve of the firm upon imposition of the unit tax. Okay, so you can see after the unit tax. Okay, so after the unit tax, what happened? The price increased. The price increased. Now all the price plus the tax. Okay, so in the first case, you can see P0. There is no government intervention. Government intervention. So the profit is maximum at this equilibrium point. Equilibrium point. Clear or not? Okay, but here you can see that it will improve the profit. Okay, what happened? The price one or maintaining the same profit, okay, profit level, that firm want to increase the price. Clear. But in the perfect competitive situation, there is no chance to increase that. So what will happen here? You can see, recall the long run supply curve of a firm, the rising part of the LRMC curve from the above the minimum LRIC, long run average curve together with the zero output for all prices less than the minimum LRIC. Are you able to understand the things there? Only LRIC is there, LRMC is there, AC is there, MC is there, right? As usually, you got that idea. Is that clear or not? So observe the figure here. Observe the figure here. So from old LRMC to LRIC, a new one is formed here. Okay, to maintain the profit level, you can see that the price increased here. Okay, from the old price plus the tax plus the tax. Okay, so the same application is here. Okay, only the supply curve is here. Okay, you can see the part of the LRMC, right? So newly formed S0 supply curve. S0 is old supply curve and S1 is the new supply curve. Okay, you can see it is a mode or shift from right to left. Shift is from right to left. Yes or no? Right to left or no? Or right to left or left to right. S0 to S1. S0 to S1. Okay, so right to left. Right to left. Okay, so what happened? Firms will reduce the quantity produced, okay, or they will reduce the supply, okay, to improve their or keep their profits. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay, that's what the taxation. So we know that today we are paying taxes for almost all the commodities that what we are purchasing. Or not. Okay, so we know that today the situation is not a perfect market condition or perfect competition, right or not? Yes or no? So firms will improve the or increase the cost to maximize their profits. All the firms will do the same there. If we want to purchase, you can purchase, or else okay, or else you can choose, right or not? There is no compulsion to purchase any product from any particular firm there. Okay, so but in the perfect competition, okay, there is no other ways. There is no other ways. That's what, folks. Okay, clear? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Ah, okay, so I'm stopping the class now. So everyone, complete the homework and send me today itself, or at least by tomorrow morning, and learn well. Okay, any doubts are there, please text me. Okay, bye guys. Thank you very much.